Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with a crochet stitch pattern and I will show you how to do the heart stitch. Isn't this beautiful? So let's begin. For this project I have used a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. So at first I made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it, and now we will be doing the foundation chains. So for the foundation chain, it should be a multiple of 3 plus 1. Okay, so I did a total of 31 chains in the beginning. Just make sure it's a multiple of 3 and plus 1. Okay, when your foundation chains are done, we will begin the first round. So we will begin the first round with a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round. Okay, and then yarn over and insert your hook in the 5th chain from the hook and draw the yarn through it and do a double crochet stitch. Okay, and in the same way we will be doing one double crochet in each of the following chains of this round. Okay, so quickly complete your first round of double crochet stitches. The first round is completed. Just do a chain 1 and turn your work, and in the first stitch we will be doing one single crochet stitch. In the same way we will be doing one single crochet in each and every stitches of the previous round. Okay, we will quickly complete this round of single crochets and meet you at the end of this round. Okay, just do the last 2 single crochet stitches. The last single crochet stitch will be in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 3 of the first round, and after that just do a chain 1 and cut the yarn and pull out the loop. Okay, and the second round is also completed. We will now do a color change. So take the yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it, and then insert the hook in the first stitch of the previous round and do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 2. In the same stitch we will be doing a cluster of 2 double crochet stitches. So yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, draw the yarn through it, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, draw the yarn through it, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now yarn over and draw the yarn through all the 3 loops and do a chain 2. Okay, yarn over, skip the next 5 stitches, and in the following stitch insert your hook, draw the yarn through it, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops and repeat it for 2 more times. That is, we are doing a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches here. Okay, we have 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over and draw the yarn through all the 4 loops and just do a chain 2 and then do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches in the same stitch in this manner. Okay, we have got 4 loops in the hook. Draw the yarn through all the 4 loops and then just do a chain 2. We will repeat this pattern throughout this round. That is, yarn over and skip the next 5 stitches And in the following stitch, insert your hook, draw the yarn through it, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, draw the yarn through it, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, and repeat it for one more time. We have 4 loops in the hook, and draw the yarn through all the loops, followed by chain 2, and then again in the same stitch do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. And after that do a chain 2. So this is the pattern. We will repeat this pattern throughout this round. Okay. Skip the following 5 stitches, and in the 6th stitch do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. Followed by chain 2, and again a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Followed by chain 2, and then we will skip the following 5 stitches, and then in the last stitch we will do a half heart, that is only a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. Followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Okay, and this round is completed. We will again take the previous colored yarn, that is the yarn for the body of the pattern, and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. We will slip stitch in the first stitch of the previous round, that is in the cluster stitch. Insert your hook in the cluster stitch and do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 1, and then in the same stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch, followed by a chain 1, and then we will yarn over and then we will insert our hook in the second skipped stitch of the previous to previous round, and draw the yarn through it and do a half double crochet stitch. Similarly, we will do 1 half double crochet in each of the following 2 stitches of the previous to previous round, that is in the second round. Okay, we did 3 half double crochet stitches, and then we will do a chain 2 and do 1 single crochet in the next chain 2 space of the third round. Okay, followed by a chain 2. Then yarn over, insert your hook in the second skipped stitch of the second round, and draw the yarn through it and do 1 half double crochet stitch, and then do 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 skipped stitches of the second round. Okay, followed by a chain 2, and then we will do 1 single crochet in the next chain 2 space, followed by a chain 2, and then we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. At the end of the last 3 half double crochet stitches, do a chain 1, and then in the last cluster stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch, and with this the 4th round ended. We will now begin the 5th round. So for that we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of the 5th round, and turn your work, and then we will do 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space, then we will do 1 double crochet in each of the following 3 half double crochet stitches, and then we will do 1 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, then 1 double crochet in the following single crochet stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the following chain 2 space, and repeat this pattern, that is 1 double crochet in each of the following 3 half double crochet stitches, then we will do 1 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, and I hope you understood the pattern by this time. 1 double crochet in the following single crochet stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the following chain 2 space, and just complete the round in this manner. At the end, we will do a double crochet in the last chain 1 space, and then do the last double crochet in the single crochet stitch, and with this the 5th round ended, followed by a chain 1 and turn your work. We will do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches of the 5th round in this manner, 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. So quickly complete the 6th round. We will quickly complete this round with the last single crochet stitches, and then just do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, because we will be doing another round of heart stitches now. So just cut the yarn and pull out the loop in this manner, and we will do a color change. I have taken a green colored yarn, made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. Slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of the previous round, and just after that do a chain 2. Yarn over and do a cluster of 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. I forgot to mention that the first chain 2 and the cluster of 2 double crochet stitch is considered as the first cluster of 3 double crochet stitches, and then we will do a chain 2. We will skip the next 5 stitches, and in the following stitch do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. In this manner, I already showed how to do the cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. When there are 4 loops in the hook, just draw the yarn through all the 4 loops, and after that we will do a chain 2, and then in the same stitch we will again do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, draw the yarn through the 4 loops, and then we will do a chain 2. In this way we will repeat this pattern. We have already completed the entire round. We will skip the following 5 stitches, and in the last stitch we will do a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches. Draw the yarn through all the 4 loops followed by a chain 1 and we will cut the yarn. Okay. With this, the 7th round ended. We will again go back to the body color, that is the cream colored yarn, and slip stitch in the first stitch and then do a chain 1. In the same stitch we will do a single crochet stitch followed by a chain 1, yarn over, and then we will insert our hook in the second skipped stitch of the 6th round and draw the yarn through it and do a half double crochet there. Similarly, we will do 1 half double crochet in each of the following 2 skipped stitches of the 6th round. Okay, and then we will do a chain 2 and do 1 single crochet stitches in the next chain 2 space of the 7th round followed by chain 2, yarn over, and then again we will do 1 half double crochet stitch in the second skipped stitch of the 6th round and 1 half double crochet in each of the following 2 stitches of the 6th round. Okay, don't get confused. And after that we will do a chain 2 and do 1 single crochet stitch in the next chain 2 space of the previous round, that is the 7th round, and we will repeat this pattern throughout this round. Okay, that is chain 2, and just complete this round. At the end we will do a chain 1 after the last 3 half double crochet stitches, and then we will end this round with a single crochet stitch in the last cluster stitch followed by a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of the 9th round, and we will turn our work. So this is the back side of the work. In this round we will do 1 double crochet stitch in the first chain 1 space. Just repeat the previous pattern. Okay, after that we will do 1 double crochet stitch in each of the following 3 half double crochet stitches. And then we will do 1 double crochet stitch in the following chain 2 space, 1 double crochet in the single crochet stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the following chain 2 space. We will do 1 double crochet in each of the following 3 half double crochet stitches. And then we will repeat this pattern, that is 1 double crochet in the following chain 2 space, 1 double crochet in the following single crochet stitch, and 1 double crochet in the following chain 2 space, and repeat this pattern throughout this round. Okay, we will complete this round quickly. We will do 1 double crochet in the last chain 1 space and 1 double crochet in the last single crochet stitch. So this is how we do the heart stitch. Okay, if you want to end this round here, just do a chain 1 and cut the yarn. Turn your work, and this is the front side of your work. Do as many number of rows as you want. Just repeat the pattern over and over. I hope this pattern was easy for you to follow and you liked it. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Make sure that the foundation chain is a multiple of 3 plus 1. This pattern is a repetitive pattern, so it's quite easy and also very beautiful. It's a perfect stitch for a blanket. Hit the like button if you liked this tutorial. Comment in the comment section if you have any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other tutorial. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.